Do you wish you could take a wonderful vacation without breaking the bank? You've arrived at the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to organize a trip on a tight budget and provide you with a wealth of useful advice, cost-cutting ideas, and insider information. Prepare to go to amazing places on a limited budget. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe to our channel to become a part of our knowledgeable travel community. Let's get started. Planning a budget-friendly vacation requires careful consideration and smart choices like: set a realistic budget, determine how much you're willing to spend on your vacation. Consider expenses like transportation, accommodation, meals, activities, and souvenirs. Having a clear budget will help you make informed decisions throughout the planning process. Choose an affordable destination. Research destinations that offer good value for money. Look for places with lower costs of living, affordable accommodations, and reasonably priced attractions. Consider off-season travel, as prices tend to be lower during non-peak periods. Be flexible with travel dates. Compare prices for different travel dates and be flexible with your schedule. Midweek flights and off-peak travel times often have lower prices. Use flight comparison websites and sign up for fare alerts to snag the best deals. Hunt for deals and discounts. Take advantage of deals and discounts on flights, accommodations, and activities. Look for package deals, group discounts, or promotional offers. Utilize travel websites, newsletters, and social media platforms to stay updated on the latest offers. Accommodation options. Consider alternative accommodation options like budget hotels, hostels, vacation rentals, or even camping. Compare prices, read reviews, and look for accommodations that offer kitchen facilities to save on dining expenses. Plan your meals. Eating out for every meal can quickly add up. Plan some of your meals by visiting local markets and grocery stores, or preparing simple meals in your accommodation. Explore local street food or affordable eateries to experience the local cuisine without breaking the bank. Research free and low-cost activities. Do some research on free or cheap activities in your destination. Public parks, beaches, and walking tours are frequently inexpensive options that nonetheless offer delightful experiences. Some museums also offer low admission days. Transportation. Select economical modes of transportation. If using public transportation or renting a car is more affordable than utilizing taxis or rideshare services, do so. For unlimited trips or discounts on transport, look for city passes or travel cards. Plan ahead. To prevent unforeseen costs, do some research and make a detailed travel plan in advance. Locate places with reduced entrance rates, make use of free guided tours and walking tours, and strategically organize your sightseeing itinerary to reduce transportation expenditures. Travel insurance. Don't forget to include travel insurance in your budget. Although it may appear to be an extra expense, it offers financial security in the event of unanticipated events like trip cancellations, unexpected medical expenses, or lost luggage. Avoid unnecessary expenses. Stay disciplined and refrain from unnecessary expenditures like impulsive shopping and expensive tourist traps. Prioritize events that fit your interests and preferences while staying within your budget. Local tips and recommendations. Consult locals or other travelers who have been to your destination before for recommendations. They can share useful information about undiscovered sites, cheap dining options, or less well-known attractions that are excellent values. Remember, a budget-friendly vacation doesn't mean sacrificing fun or memorable experiences. By planning ahead, making informed choices, and being flexible, you can create an enjoyable vacation while staying within your budgetary constraints. We appreciate your participation as we attempt to put together a low-cost trip. We sincerely hope that our pointers and tricks helped you plan a memorable trip without going over budget. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share it with other budget-conscious travelers you know. Keep in mind that you may have a fantastic vacation while keeping within your budget if you plan carefully and make wise decisions. For more inspiration on low-cost travel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Till then, have safe and inexpensive travel.